What highlights will KraussMaffei showcase at K 2025?
K-Show is one of the important shows, of course, globally. And in injection molding, we will show a brand new PX series, a very energy efficient series with up to 25% more efficiency than the old generation. And the second topic, which is of course mainly for KraussMaffei and very important topic, are the process innovation. And we show a process innovation with our chopped glass fiber generation screw with the processing, where we really can work with a normal material together with glass fibers and have the same material quality like we have with the long glass fiber material. And it's really a very fast ROE on the customer side. It's retrofitable for old machine from KraussMaffei, so it's really beneficial for them. And then the third thing is our automation, where we have our autark automation cell. It's brand new. In the past, we make our automation for our machines. Now we have an autark cell where we can make assembly with inspection and everything. We're really focused on this. And last but not least, our new baby is additive manufacturing, which we introduced in the last K-Show. Now we have the next generation with our PowerPrint Flex. In the former, we introduced the PowerPrint Flex, like the name Flex mentioned. We are much more flexible. We are modular. We have really the possibility. Doesn't matter in which length and which size we do it, with a very high output, up to 70 kilos per hour. So it's really modular and flexible. That's the main topics. Beside, of course, one of our basic topics is the service inside, that we have a global service network, that we do everything for our machine fleet, which is up to 30 years old. So really globally serving our customers, that we rely on our service and our good quality machine quality.